सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। ॐ स्थिरता नहीं रे मानस, 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 स्थिरता नहीं रे। तापत्रय सागर मज्ञानां, तापत्रय सागर मज्ञानां दर्पाहंकार विलग्नानां, तापत्रय सागर मज्ञानां दर्पाहंकार विलग्नानां स्थिरता नहीं रे मानस, स्थिरता नहीं रे मानस, स्थिरता नहीं रे। विषय पाश वेष्टित चित्तानां, विषय पाश वेष्टित चित्तानां विपरीत ज्ञान विमत्तानां, विषय पाश वेष्टित चित्तानां विपरीत ज्ञान विमत्तानां स्थिरता नहीं रे मानस, स्थिरता नहीं रे मानस, स्थिरता नहीं रे। परमहंस योग विरुद्धानां, परमहंस योग विरुद्धानां, परमहंस योग विरुद्धानां बहुचंचलतर सुख सिद्धानां, परमहंस योग विरुद्धानां बहुचंचलतर सुख सिद्धानां स्थिरता नहीं रे मानस, स्थिरता नहीं रे मानस, स्थिरता नहीं रे। In the previous class, we saw about Sadashiva Brahmendra Saraswati's first song, that is Chinta Nasti Kila. He talked about Daivi Sampat, the people who possess Daivi Sampat, divine virtues. They are free from worry or grief. Now, in this composition, Sthirata nahi re manasa, he is going to tell us that the one who is having demonic nature or evil nature, that person will not have, can never have any steadiness in his mind. That person cannot enjoy calmness of his mind, sereneness, piousness, or quietude. Unsteadiness alone will be there. Steadiness cannot be there. Who are those people who are lacking steadiness in their minds? He is going to describe in this Kirtana. Sthirata nahi nahi re manasa. Manasaha idam. Pertaining to that mind, anything is called manasa. He is addressing his own mind. Oh mind, there is no sthirata, there is no steadiness. Nahi nahi re manasa. As Arjuna asked Lord Krishna in Bhagavad Gita, 6th chapter, Chanchalam hi manah Krishna pramathi balavad dhridam tasyaham nigraham manye vayoriva sudushkaram. Hey Krishna, it's very difficult to control the mind, to discipline the mind. For that Lord Krishna said, who said it is easy to control the mind? Asamshayam mahabaho mano durnigraham chalam. But you can do that. Abhyasena tu kaunteya vairagyena tu krishyate. By abhyasa, by constant practice, one can achieve that steadiness of the mind. This is the universal complaint. People always complain about their own mind. My mind is so restless, unsteady. What to do? Acharya says, Sadashivendra says here, why you are lacking first the rest or relaxation at your mind? What is the reason? So he tells his mind, oh mind, tapatraya sagara magnanam. There cannot be any steadiness, calmness in those minds because those people are tapatraya magnanam. They are drowned. Tapatraya sagaram. They are drowned in the ocean of three types of pains. Tapatraya. Tapa means suffering, pain. Three types of pain are those pains: adhyatmika tapa, adhibhautika tapa, and adhidhaivika tapa. Adhyatmika tapa is that which is born out of our own body in the form of hunger, thirst, and raga, dvesha at mind level. Physical level, old age, disease, all these come under adhyatmika tapa. Adhibhautika tapa is that tapa which is born out of surroundings, insects, creatures, animals like serpent, tiger, etc. Shankaracharya says in his commentary. Now we have to add coronavirus also. Because of coronavirus also, adhibhautika tapa. Then third tapa is adhidaivika tapa, which is because of supernatural powers like cyclone, earthquake, all these caused by the divine forces. So these three types of tapams, who are all drowned in that, they can never have steadiness in their minds. Not only that, darpa ahankara vilagnanam, who are clinging to their possessions. Because of that clinging, craving for their possessions, they develop darpa and ahankara. Darpa means pride, ahankara means arrogance. What is the difference between these two? Looks same, darpa and ahankara. Expressed superiority complex is darpam, vanity. Unexpressed superiority complex is ahankara. Therefore, these people are clinging towards their possessions. Because of those possessions, they are entertaining that pride and arrogance. That's why they can never have steadiness in their minds. Then second charanam, he says, Vishaya Pasha Veshtita Chittanam, whose minds are tied with the power of sense objects. Sense objects are called Vishaya. In Sanskrit, Vishayaha you can derive Vishinoti Badhnati iti Vishayaha. That which ties, binds the person is called Vishayaha. Putra, Griha, Vahana, Dhanam, etc. etc. That is called Vishaya. Including your own body is also a type of Vishaya. That binds the person. Then Viparita Jnana Vimattanam. Vimatta means they are thinking in their thoughts. What are those thoughts now? Full of erroneous perception. Erroneous perception or misconception is called Viparita Jnana. Seeing something as something else is called Viparita Jnanam or Mithya Jnanam. What is Mithya Jnanam? Taking oneself, that means the body, mind complex as one's own real nature, is called Mithya Jnanam, Viparita Jnanam, erroneous perception. In that, they are involving and doing their actions. Because of the ignorance, they have this Mithya Jnana, erroneous perception. How can there be a steadiness in their mind when this ignorance is there? Ignorance caused Mithya Jnanam is there. Steadiness is not possible. Restlessness alone will be there. Anxiety alone will be there. Quietude cannot come to them. Calmness is not at all possible. Therefore, Mithya Jnanam is called Viparita Jnanam Vimattanam. Sthirata nahi nahi re manasa. Steadiness is not there, not there. Then Lord Krishna talked about values in the 13th chapter. So one has to imbibe those values. Amanitvam, Adambhitvam, Ahimsa, Kshanti, Arjavam, Acharyopasanam, etc. etc. All these are meant to make the human personality, a refined personality, animal man to man, man to divine man. This type of transformation comes only when we follow the values. Pujya Swami Dayananda Saraswati says, a value is a value when the value of the value is valued by you. So values are not just outside hanging somewhere like fruits or vegetables. So these values are imbibed by the person. Dharma is in dharmi. Dharma or value can survive only in the person who value that value. Amanitvam, Adambhitvam, all these are umpteen values Lord Krishna mentioned in Bhagavad Gita. If we do not know those values, one has to know those values first. Whoever knows those values, they have to remember those values. Those who remember those values, they have to implement those values. An ounce of practice is better than tons of theory. So we have to imbibe them and practice them into day-to-day life. But these people, Asurik Sampat people, demonic nature people, Paramahamsa Yoga Viruddhanam, these people are against to Viruddhanam, to the path of Jnana Yoga, Moksha Marga. Paramahamsa Yoga means Atma Jnanam, Moksha Marga, Shreyo Marga. Therefore, Viruddhanam, to these people, this steadiness of the mind is not possible. We can say Nastikas, they don't believe in God, they don't believe in self-knowledge, they don't believe in any of our scriptures and Puranas, Itihasas. Therefore, they are Bahu Chanchalatara Sukha Siddhanam. They are proud of their accomplishment about the worldly accomplishments, education, job, money, power, wealth, and all these things. They are all having Bahu Chanchalatara Sukham. Their Sukha is so fleeting and so temporary, ephemeral, and they think they are so accomplished. Now we are seeing the present time. However great you are, a rich person, accomplished person, you are just locked by coronavirus. What is the greatness of human being? Now this incident, coronavirus, COVID-19, shows the limitations of human being. How much we are all we are all encircled. We are controlled by this ordinary virus. Now it is not ordinary, we cannot say. It is very powerful virus. So therefore, human being has to know his own limitations. Therefore, our traditional acharyas says, take to Karma Yoga, Upasana Yoga, Jnana Yoga. Understand the values given in our Puranas, Mahabharata, Ramayana, all Bhagavad Gita, etc. Look into them, study them, understand them, and imbibe in your personality. Then you see the steadiness comes automatically, naturally. Therefore, you have to see that greatness of our scriptures and scriptural knowledge. Therefore, Sadashiva Brahmendra, in this Kirtana, he concludes that Sthirata nahi nahi re, Manasa, re Manasa, Sthiram, steadiness is not possible for those people who are having demonic nature. Therefore, demon is not outside. Our own mind, Manaeva Manushyanam Karanam Bandha Mokshayoho. Our mind alone is our friend, cause for that moksha. Our mind alone is our enemy, cause for our bondage. Therefore, with this, I conclude Sadashiva Brahmendra Kirtana Sthirata Nahi Nahi Re. Hari Om. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.